Hey guys, it's Jordan with 4Runner Lifestyle. We are on our way to Overland Expo SoCal, and we had to stop here in St. George because we are getting a Blaze off-road kit for our 6th generation 4Runner. We just threw on a ton of Diode Dynamics lighting, and we are going to get this kit installed in 20 minutes. So we're making this pit stop. We're on our way to SoCal, and they're gonna throw it on for us. So I'm gonna show you guys just how simple and quick this kit is to install on your vehicle. So let's show you guys what we're doing. Okay guys, so if you guys have wired your own rig before, you know just how difficult it is to do all the wiring, run all the cables, solder all these connections. It's pretty time consuming. It can be pretty annoying. So the nice thing about the Blaze kit is it is all done for you. So it's only gonna be 3 connections and a couple of bolts and you are ready to go. So the great thing about this kit for you guys is if you buy it through us, we have them in stock and ready to ship. It's still gonna be a couple weeks out if you order it from anywhere else. So if you guys want an easier way to light your rig and then also get the sweet Garmin power unit that you can connect to your CarPlay and just use from your phone or your CarPlay as well, make sure to order that kit through us because we have it in stock and ready to go. But we're gonna get this thing installed. It's only gonna take 20 minutes, so we're gonna show you guys just how easy it is to do this kit. We're getting everything ready right now. We're about to start the timer. 20 minutes. That's what Mitchell's saying about this install, so we're gonna see if he can do it. Kind of a lot of pressure. We're all watching him, so we're about to get ready to start this thing.
There's 36 people in here, but when you get the kit like this and it's ready to drop in, it's not going to take longer than 20 minutes, I'm telling you. All right, ready? All right, let's go. So we're going to start by taking off your factory battery cover here. This thing is obnoxiously tight for no reason on all of these. It's every one of them. Garmin kit is mounted.
2 minutes and 35 seconds in.
Yeah, so it takes 2 minutes to mount a Garmin kit.
What are you doing now?
I'm gonna go ahead and connect the ground cables with the power switch and the ground bar.
Okay, so a lot of people will get a bunch of different switch panels when you get your lighting, but the cool thing about this Blaze kit is it's compatible with the Garmin switch panel. So the really cool thing about this is it's Bluetooth. You download an app to your phone and you can control all of your lights from your phone, or if you have CarPlay, there's an app on your CarPlay that you can use. So you can still control it in the truck, which is awesome. So just downloaded that. We're gonna get it paired up to the Garmin power switch. And then once all these lights are plugged in, we'll be able to test just from our phone standing outside of the vehicle if all the lights are working. Okay, so we are at 13 minutes. SS5 is wired up. The ditch lights are being wired up right now. And then we have the chase lights. So it's looking pretty good. Got about 6 minutes and 30 seconds left. So see. It's getting close.
I'm not running around either. Like, I'm going quick, but I'm not like running around rushing.
Yeah. Oh, for sure. When we were testing the harness and it didn't fit.
Okay, so we just finished. 30 minutes and 47 seconds was the final time. Although we did have to remeasure the chase light wiring, so that was all set up really about 20 minutes. So really can't complain. This is a very easy kit to install. You can do this by yourself in your garage on a weekend. Honestly, you can do it just after work. It's that fast. So Blaze Off-Road's really doing a killer job in making wiring as easy as it can possibly be. And like I said, you can get this kit on our website right now. It's in stock and ready to ship. Anywhere else, it's gonna be a couple weeks out. So if you wanna pick one of these up for your rig, you have a ton of lighting that you wanna add to it, this is the kit to do. So hit the link below in the description and get yours ordered today.